Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 7-foot wide, 27,000-pound Gooseneck Dump trailer. This particular model is available in either a 16, 18, or 20-foot length. We're going to start up front and work our way to the back. Up front we have a 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the height on your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer rides level while going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy channel gooseneck tongue. The top beams are a heavy 10-inch channel, and the uprights are also 10-inch channel iron for maximum strength and stability. Compare this to 8 inches often used on most other trailers in the industry. There are 4 support gussets on the tongue to give plenty of reinforcement where it counts most. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch, and more reflective tape than you will find on most other trailers. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all of the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Now on either side of the uprights, we have standard dual 12,000-pound drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all Texas Pride Gooseneck models feature dual jacks for easier connecting and disconnecting from your towed vehicle. Now in between the uprights, there is a heavy gauge locking steel pump and toolbox. On one side of the box are 2 high-capacity deep cycle marine grade batteries and the electric over hydraulic pump, which comes with a standard 15-foot corded remote. Now one main feature of our pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses the battery instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your dump bed can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. The other side of the box is open for general storage of tools and equipment. Another important standard feature on this trailer is the onboard 8-amp battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the weatherproof cover on the front of the box, connect a standard 110-volt extension cord into the charging port to recharge the batteries. Once a full charge is detected, the charger will turn off and not overcharge the batteries. Note that we use a larger 8-amp charger as standard equipment on all of our dump trailers. This gives you a faster charging time than the 3.5-amp chargers often used by most other trailers in the industry. Walking around to the side of the trailer, let's start with the main frame of the trailer, which is heavy 8-inch wall tubing. This makes for a much stronger and stiffer main frame than channel or I-beam often used by other manufacturers. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a dual-cylinder hoist system. Some people ask which is better, scissor lift or dual ram. Each has their own application. We offer both, and in the end, let you, the customer, decide which is better for you. But we've found the dual-cylinder system to have a bit more power, so that's why we made it the standard hoist system on our dump trailers. The standard sides of the trailer come 24 inches tall, but you have the option of 3-foot, 4-foot, or even higher sides if you choose. The top rail of the sides is made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve integrity even under severe use. Also on the rails, you have stake pockets standard so that you can raise the side height if you desire. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced fenders, heavy enough you can stand on. We also included diamond plate steps on either side of the fenders for an easier way to look inside or access the bed. For running gear, we have triple heavy-duty 9,000-pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 6 wheels standard. If you get in a tight situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 6 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. There is also an optional spare tire and wheel available that mounts in the top of the gooseneck. It's out of the way, yet easily accessible. Around to the back of the trailer, the first thing you'll notice is the standard barn doors, which open and latch back to allow you to easily load equipment with the optional 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps. We also offer aluminum ramps as an upgrade, which are just as strong as steel, yet only half the weight. The inside bed width of this model is about 82 inches wide. Also standard on this model are the 4 D-rings welded solidly onto the floor to allow you to secure any equipment you transport in your trailer. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 7-foot wide, 27,000-pound gooseneck dump trailer.